Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techcore. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Antutu benchmark test results between the Poco F3 versus the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. The Poco F3, which is also called as the Redmi K40 device as well. The phone has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let me try to show you. So which is the 870 chipset, as you can clearly see, friends. 870 chipset. So whereas the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, which has got the Dimensity 800U processor, so which is kind of okay for the mid-range segment mobile phones, as you can see Dimensity 800U clearly. So let's see, friends, what will be the Antutu benchmark test results between both the smartphones if you compare Dimensity 800U versus the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let me try to open the Antutu benchmark test results between both the phones. So the test has been already completed in both the phones. Let me try to show you the results directly. So you can see the results for yourself, friends. It's a close, I think 6 lakhs versus the 3,28,000. So there's a huge difference between both the phones. That's a kind of expected. So this is just a comparison between the mid-range segment versus the premium range segment mobile phone. So by the time I'm making this video, the Poco F3, it did not get launched in India. So I'm not sure whether they will be coming with the Snapdragon 870 or they'll be coming with the Snapdragon 860 versions. So that is a kind of not yet confirmed. So by the time I'm making this video, so let's see what's gonna happen. But overall, these are the quick Antutu benchmark test results comparison between both the phones. And in case if you are having any other doubts regarding both the phones, so make sure to comment below. I'll try to do a lot of other comparisons like the display and the camera, loudspeaker and all those things. So make sure to follow me regularly, friends, in case if you want to know more details about this particular model. So these are the quick comparisons, CPU, and you can see the GPU score comparisons between these phones, how much the difference is actually, as you can see here, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.